Guys, crypto is going crazy right now, as I said in the last video right here, which means Pi network will equally be going crazy. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, when you come to Crypto Bubble, you're going to see that the entire land is green right now. Every single coin in the top 100, every single coin except about 3 or 4 are currently green, and you can see the 24-hour movement. Most of them are doing over 10%. Uniswap is even doing as much as 25% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum 7%, Arbitrum 13%, optimism 11%. Now, Pi network coin. Now, the real reason why we are here is Pi network, right? Pi network has done about 2% in the last 24 hours. This might look small to you, but I'm about to show you something that would change your perspective about the Pi network's price action, about where Pi network will be in the coming days. For those of you that are already beginning to lose hope in Pi network, you are going to now see there's a very huge potential in this particular token. So for those of you that were fortunate enough to mine as much as 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 that you've not sold yet, please don't go and make the mistake of selling, because you're going to make a lot of money from this project. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, when you come to crypto.news, there's this article that was posted 4 hours ago, right, by Crispus Nyaga. Pi coin token was trading at 63 cents on Tuesday, June 10, where it has remained since May 31st. It has dropped by 62% from its highest point in March, as is well below its all-time high of 3%. The 12-hour chart suggests a potential Pi coin price short squeeze as the token continues to consolidate. The spread between the three lines of the Bollinger Band has narrowed, indicating that volatility has declined. In most cases, a narrowing spread in this band leads to a strong bullish breakout. Now, take note of this. A recent example covered here occurred in May, when the token surged 175% to a high of about $1.66. Similarly, the historical volatility indicator has plunged to 22.24, its lowest level since May 7. It has dropped sharply from the last month high of about 356.87. The average true range indicator, another key volatility measure, has fallen to about 0.025, are also its lowest level since May 6. Now, Pi network has also formed a double bottom pattern with support at 58 cents and a neckline at $1.67. Now, the double bottom and falling volatility indicator both suggest the potential for further upside. With key targets at a psychological level of $1 and the neckline at $1.67. This level are approximately 57% and 160% above the current price. A drop below support at 54 cents would invalidate the bullish outlook and point to more downside, potentially downward all-time high of about 40 cents. Now, what we just read is a detailed explanation of the technical analysis of Pi network coins. The person who wrote this article is a professional trader who has looked at the chart and analyzed it for us, and then interpreted that into English words that we just finished reading, right? What they are basically saying is that with the look of the chart right now, Pi network is bullish. With the behavior of the chart and the way it is looking right now, Pi network is bullish. There's a possibility that Pi could potentially get to the $1 mark and even cross the $1 mark to about $1.50 mark very soon, due to the movement of Pi. That is basically what this article is saying. And remember everything we've been talking about regarding Pi network ever since we started talking about Pi network. This project is not something you should just toss. It is a project that you should pay attention to, because so much work has been put into this particular project. Even if the team are not communicating enough as they should, I still believe in this project because of the potential and everything surrounding the project, right? So we should give this project a chance, considering the fact that the consolidation has been for this long, it is a tendency that we could still make some more money from this particular project. I'm still holding strong, which is why I'm advising my followers to also hold, because I will only advise you to do what I am doing. Even if I'm not a financial advisor, you should. So everything I say here is only for education and information purpose. But then again, I will only show you what I practice. I will only preach what I practice, right? I've been holding on to this stock token. I have over 2,000 Pi coins, and I'm still holding on to the coins. I'm still holding on to this particular project, and I don't intend selling anytime soon, at least till I get my desired price points before I sell some more Pi coins from my portfolio. So that's basically what this video is about. I just did this follow-up video to make sure my diamond hands pioneers don't fumble on this project. Hold on to this token, and you won't regret that you held on to this particular coin for this long. So that's basically what I brought for you guys in this video. If you like this content you just got, kindly help me smash that like button, and also subscribe to my channel if you want to get more amazing content, more insightful content like the one you just got right now. So guys, that'll be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.